Okay guys, Brinks, brass, 40mm padlock, 5 pin. There's the keyway, this lever focus, sent to me by Lock Butcher Shop in we package stored earlier on. So there's the keys. There they are. It's locked up again. There's the bitting. So it's a 5 pinner. Pardon me. Sorry. Top keyway tension. That's a Peterson short hook. Work from back to front. Pin number 3. Pin number 2. Pin number 5. Pin number 1. And there you go. That's us open. That's your Brinks. 40mm brass, 5 pin padlock, single pin picked. Thanks once again to Lock Butcher Shop, Jeff. And all the best for now. Take care. Bye bye.